Alrighty, welcome back to the last week of trading recaps for my first live account, and yeah, as you can already tell, it's because I blew the account.
Ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I mean, I kind of was already expecting to blow the account this week, so yeah, let's just see what happened. Alright, so today I was still kind of a little groggy from my weekend trip, but the show's got to go on, so I still had my live trading session. For today, it looked like price shot up a little on Monday, so I was looking for price to hold and possibly push up higher. But at the start, we kept getting rejected at these highs, so I was thinking of trying to short here, but I didn't take it because I wanted to wait a little longer to see what the market was going to do. But price kind of just dumped like over 200 or 300 points, so I kind of just sat there and watched. We did eventually find some support, but I was getting a little impatient and decided just to take a short here, wanting to see another quick dump down to the lows. But I was wrong and took that L for a loss of $63.50. With that, I just stopped here for the day with a loss of $65.24 after fees. Alrighty, so after that drop yesterday, today I was feeling bearish if price couldn't hold above these 300s. So for my first trade, I got a short off this quick break and tap of these 330s. The short was working out until I got a little scared and lowered my stop loss hella, and price hit that Mario jump and tapped my stop loss for a loss of $8.50. But if I just held my OG stop, we would have hit my target, so I tried not to move my stop loss for the rest of the day. Next, I ended up trying to long after price bounced up hella. It was looking like price could easily climb up above these 330s, so I was aiming for the pre-market highs. But price just got stuck here, and it wasn't looking great, but I decided just to hold on because price could just dip down before shooting up, and no, price just got sent down hard and hit my stop loss for a loss of $40. After seeing that, I hopped back in a short wanting to see price come back down to the lows, but price was just really stubborn here and just shot back up, which stopped me out for a loss of $40.50. After that pop, I was a little salty and just ended up jumping along and was immediately wrong for a loss of $40. With that, I hit my daily loss limit for the day and stopped here with a loss of $135.96. And yeah, those last two trades were more revenge trades, so oops. So for today on how will I blow my account, I really was just in the mindset of fuck it, we ball, and started the day feeling bullish if price could hold above the 500s area. But at the start of the day, price just fell down hard, so I jumped in a short here wanting price to continue the momentum down, but it kind of stopped here, so I probably should have just bailed out, but I didn't and just took the full L for a fat loss of $59. Then as we broke lower, I hopped in another short, still thinking we could break down a little more, and nope, that got stopped, so I lowered my stop loss in case this candle got bought up, and it did, so I just got stopped out for a smaller loss of $16. Since the previous day highs were holding as support, I switched up and jumped in along, which was working out. As we got closer to my target, we kind of were topping out, and I was debating to move my stop loss to below these wicks just for some protection, but I didn't because there could be a small pullback before hitting my target. However, two fat red candles just appeared out of nowhere, and before I could move my stop loss to break even, price dropped even more, and I just ended up bailing for a loss of $27. So yeah, that didn't really work out as planned, and I was tilted, so I hopped in a short here, but I didn't really have too much room to play with until I hit my daily loss limit. So yeah, that got immediately closed out for a loss of $25.50. So yeah, another day hitting my max daily loss limit with a loss of under $34.46. And yeah, tomorrow's gonna be a short day because we got like 24 bucks to play with. Okay, so for today, I already knew I was going to blow my account, so I kind of just woke up late because I would only be able to take like one tiny trade with a tight stop loss of like 10 points, which is pretty much nothing. I also didn't bother to have a plan and just full sent it here on a long, and nope, got stopped out for a quick loss of 20 bucks. And with that final L, I have blown my account and won't be able to take any more trades because that margin limit is $100 here on NinjaTrader. So yeah, in total, ended the day with a loss of $21.74. So yeah, that was tough to watch, and with those leading trades, we lost a total of $357.40 this week, and I'm pretty sure 0% win rate because I'm trash. You also probably know that this loss brings the total Journeys PL to a loss of like 1,900 bucks. Overall, it did take a little longer than I expected to lose all this money. I'm gonna just say 10 weeks as my guess. So yeah, I lasted more than double the time, but I also pretty much lost all of it in like a month. Because a month ago, we were kind of chilling at like 1,600 bucks, and then boom, something happened, and I just couldn't recover from it. Honestly, once my balance went to below 500, I kind of just gave up and was looking forward to blowing the account so I could just get a fresh start mentally on something else. Could I have just stopped then and saved a couple $100 to do something else? Yeah, but I also really like working on something till it's 100% complete, so that's why we're here today. Looking back, I definitely learned a lot over these past 25 weeks about my own emotions and the market itself, so I'll probably make a video later to consolidate everything. However, with this blown account, it's only the beginning. If I had to separate my trading plan into pieces, I would say this is only phase 1 of 4 to becoming a profitable trader. So what's the next phase, you might ask? Is it another live account, a prop firm, a switch to Forex? Well, I guess you gotta wait till next week to find out. Or if you really want a preview, come out Tuesday for that live stream. Bye.